Bwenseme Ekoamereria Eserekari bosigwe chinsa chinke KORWA BONO guchingire emyaka 52 kuru ensi ya Kenya yanyorete obosibore niko bwakwanire omo Kenya ase bakwanira AMAKONG'U ao ensi ya Kenya agendera tugwetera asichinga bure chiga bagukwana kurochwa bisiene chekiama giadap Kenya kurwa magacha chwega somo chu Nairobi niko bamuchirige tambukiro gya Eserekari konya mashirika ao yense.
Sovereignty is not symbolic. It's a sacred and constitutional duty. From the peaks of Mount Kenya to the shores of Lamu, from Lake Victoria to the plains of Narok, every Kenyan has a stake. The Republic is ours, and we will defend it with courage, with unity, and with vigilance. Every pipeline sold, every share disposed, every asset compromised is a betrayal of the generations who fought for our freedom. We call on every citizen, every institution, every civil society organization, and every community to rise up. Protect our pipelines, our airports, our companies, our financial institutions, and demand accountability. Defend our sovereignty. Let no one mistake silence for consent. We must defend our assets, our minerals, like the gold in Migori, Kakamega, and Busia, that are now under invasion, to restore dignity and reclaim our republic. More significant, we must defend our multi-party democracy that is now under existential threat from this rogue regime. Kenya shall not be sold, Kenya shall not be auctioned, Kenya shall not be colonized by outsiders and insiders and their cronies.
Our health sector is equally a mess. So we don't want to spend time talking about all those things. We know SHA has not been working. Nothing seems to be working under Ruto. Rutoism is not working at all. And we are not here to pretend all is well in the country. We are preparing as united opposition to take leadership. And of course, the good thing is 2026, just a few days from now, we'll be talking about elections next year. So Kenyans, get ready for takeoff.
The problem of Kenya is theft of public resources. The problem of Kenya is wanton corruption. The problem of Kenya is misappropriation of public resources. The problem of Kenya is disregard of the rule of law. The problem of Kenya is abductions and extrajudicial killings. The problem of Kenya is wanton and open and shameless bribery in State House of Kenyan voters. Those are the problems that bedevil our country. So please, let people not be swayed and diverted to chase a false narrative about tribalism and lack of unity in the country. Those are not challenges in this country at all. The problem of this country today is the raiding of the payslip. All workers are in anguish. Their payslips have been raided. Those are the real challenges that faces the people of Kenya. So as we proceed to Christmas, let the people of Kenya focus on what ails our country, so that we can get a solution